request Thiru VRS Sampath for the welcome address.
அவையோருக்கு என்னுடைய அன்பு கலந்த மாலை வணக்கம். His Excellency, the Governor of Tamil Nadu, Thiru Madhavarao Scindia, Honorable Union Minister for Human Resource Development, Thiru R. Anbarasu, Member of Parliament, Dr. Avai Nadarajan, Vice Chancellor, Thanjai Tamil University, Thiru R. Gandhi, Syndicate Member, Madras University, Dr. S. Vijayalakshmi, Director, Syndicate Bank, Thiru Nalli Kuppusamy Chetty, Proprietor, Nalli Silks, Thiru P. Vasu, Film Director, Selvi Vinitha, Film Actress, Principal, Ethiraj College, students from city colleges, teachers of various colleges, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I have great pleasure in welcoming you on behalf of the Madras Educational Trust. The Trust is honored by His Excellency's presence here. His Excellency is a senior leader, statesman, former Chief Minister, medical practitioner, and above all, a social worker. During his tenure as a Governor of Tamil Nadu, His Excellency has been encouraging non-governmental organizations functioning in welfare and social areas. His Excellency is also the chairman of the South Zone Cultural Center. Under his chairmanship, the center identifies and promotes cultural talent among students and youth, aiming at the cultural integration of southern states. His Excellency is also the Chancellor of all the university in Tamil Nadu. As a Chancellor, his nomination to the Senate, Syndicate, and other university bodies has drawn talent, experience, and wisdom together. His Excellency, functioning style and relations with the people is fair and proper and a model to the Indian states. On behalf of the Madras Educational Trust, I indeed pleased to welcome His Excellency and request him to preside over the function. On behalf of the Trust, I am presenting a salve and memento. On behalf of Madras Educational Trust, I welcome Thiru Madhavarao Scindia, Honorable Union Minister for Human Resource Development. Thiru Scindia is known for his high education, culture, and personality. Thiru Scindia's administrative skills as a cabinet member are well known. It is indeed appropriate that the nation's modern temples, colleges, and universities are in his hand. Though from royal background, Thiru Scindia is very popular with masses. His easy manner and simplicity have endeared him to all. A man of principles, Thiru Scindia looks for merit. However, he equally looks into the humanitarian aspects. When he was the Civil Aviation Minister, he resigned his ministership, owing moral responsibility for an accident, exhibiting his flair for principled politics. Thiru Scindia is equally popular in the South. He is liked by all cutting across party lines. On behalf of the Madras Educational Trust, I welcome Honorable Minister and request him to inaugurate the institute and distribute the awards. Now I am presenting shawl and memento to the Honorable Minister. Institute of International Educational Service specialize in catering the needs of students from rural backward areas in the area of higher education, both overseas and within. Through R. Anbarasu, Member of Parliament, Central Madras, possesses a rare independence and flair for activities that are social and educational. A lawyer, Sir Anbarasu was also a teacher, once a youth leader, and always a social worker. Sir R. Anbarasu has an open mind to good ideas and friends. Wherever they may come from, he never cares for political affiliation, but insists on the dignity of human relationship. Whenever we approached him on behalf of our trust and institute, he never hesitated to provide assistance for our trust, our institute. His help was our trust to this level. The organizer of many educational, cultural, and social programs. He was particularly helpful to securing through Sidhya's participation today. On behalf of the trust, I am welcoming him and request him to deliver the special address. Now I am presenting a shawl and memento on behalf of the trust. On behalf of Madras Educational Trust, I welcome Dr. Abhay Nadarajan, Vice Chancellor, Thanjai Tamil University. Dr. Abhay Nadarajan is a popular person throughout India as well as around the world for those who know Tamil. He is an eminent public speaker, thinker, writer, and organizer. His association with us for the past 2 decades has been immensely helpful towards shaping the trust and to found this Institute of International Educational Service. Sattakadir, the only Tamil law journal published by our trust for the benefit of common public, was released by Dr. Abhay Nadarajan 3 years ago. On behalf of our trust, I am welcoming Dr. Abhay Nadarajan and request him to deliver a special address. Now I am presenting a shawl to Dr. Abhay Nadarajan. On behalf of our trust, I welcome Thru R. Gandhi, Syndicate Member, University of Madras. Thru R. Gandhi is a senior advocate and the former president of Tamil Nadu Pondicherry Bar Association, a leading social worker, politician, and public personality. Thru Gandhi is a sincere supporter and guide of our trust. On behalf of our trust, I welcome Thru Gandhi. Now I am presenting a shawl on behalf of the trust. Dr. S. Vijayalakshmi, Director Syndicate Bank, is a political scientist and social worker. She has served on many banking and non-banking organizations in various capacities. She has been associated with our trust activities for long. On behalf of our trust, I am welcoming Dr. S. Vijayalakshmi and presenting this shawl on behalf of the trust. Through P. Vasu, film director, is a very popular film director. He has directed and produced many box office hits. He is a close friend of our trust. He always supports the trust cause. On behalf of the Madras Education Trust, I welcome Director P. Vasu and presenting the shawl on behalf of the trust. Selvi Vinitha is an upcoming actress. She is a popular actress of the Tamil screen, known for refreshing acting skills. She has acted in many successful films. She will be comparing today event on behalf of Madras Educational Trust. I welcome Ms. Vinita and request her to compare the program. Now I am presenting a shawl and a memento on behalf of the trust. On behalf of the trust, I welcome the principal of Yethraj College, who has been kind enough to provide the necessary assistance towards the function. On behalf of the trust, I welcome the principal, staff, and students of the college, and also recipients of the Award for Excellence in the field of academic record, leadership quality, cultural activity, and social service. We are also honoring 3 eminent individuals of the city for their service, talent, and success. On behalf of the trust, I welcome the special awardees through N.C. Raghavachari, Dr. S. Ramamurthy, and through Kalanidhi Maran. I welcome invitees, friends, and well-wishers to this function. The Madras Educational Trust was founded in 1992. My 2 decades of the involvement in the field of social service and public activities triggered the trust idea. A Tamil law journal for the benefit of common public and an institute of counseling and guidance in the area of higher education and overseas studies in the form of Institute of International Educational Service, an institute for AIDS prevention and create awareness on AIDS, a tourism center to promote tourism and promote cultural integration are some of the important areas of work undertaken by the trust. Additionally, there are plans to start an international law college, the Madras School of Medical Technology, Center for Tourism Studies, International Center for Human Rights, and a Center for Development Studies. The Madras Educational Trust is thus involved in educational, social, and cultural activities in and around of the Madras city. On behalf of the Madras Educational Trust, I once again extend my hearty welcome to this August gathering and seek your best wishes. நண்பர்களே, சென்னை அறக்கட்டளையின் சார்பிலே வந்திருக்கின்ற அனைவரையும் மகிழ்ச்சியுடன் வரவேற்கின்றேன். இந்த விருது வழங்குகிற விழாவும் பன்னாட்டு கல்வி நிறுவனத்தினுடைய துவக்க விழாவும் இப்பொழுது நடைபெற இருக்கின்றது என்பதை மகிழ்ச்சியுடன் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றேன். இந்த விழாவிற்கு நம்முடைய மேதகு ஆளுநர்கள் வந்திருக்கிறார்கள். அது நமக்கெல்லாம் மதிப்பையும் மரியாதையையும் பூரிப்பையும் அளிக்கிறது. அவர் இங்கே வந்திருப்பது இந்த அவைக்கு ஒரு பெரும் மரியாதையை கொடுத்திருக்கிறது. அத்துடன் நம் நாட்டினுடைய கல்வி அமைச்சரும் மனிதவள மேம்பாட்டுத்துறை அமைச்சருமான திரு மாதவராவ் சிந்தியா அவர்கள் வந்திருக்கிறார்கள். அவர்கள் கல்வி திறமை பெற்றவர்கள், நாகரிகமானவர்கள், பெருந்தன்மையானவர், உயர்ந்த உள்ளம் கொண்டவர், எல்லா விதமான திறமைகளும் கொண்ட ஒரு நன்மதிப்பாளர். அவரை இந்த நேரத்திலே உங்கள் அனைவர் சார்பிலே வருக என்று வரவேற்கின்றேன். இங்கே வந்திருக்கின்ற அத்தனை பேரறிஞர்களையும் நண்பர்களையும் மாணவர்களையும் கல்வியாளர்களையும் வருக 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 என்று சென்னை கல்வி அறக்கட்டளை சார்பிலே வரவேற்கின்றேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.